What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna go over 7 mistakes new YouTubers make and how to avoid them. So if you currently have a YouTube channel, if you think there are ways you can do better, make more money, get more views, get more subscribers, I guarantee you there are ways you can do that. And today I'm gonna go over these 7 mistakes many YouTubers are making, and I'm gonna show you what you can do to avoid those simple mistakes. So if this is your first time here, my name is Adam Snyder and I am the Homemade Entrepreneur. Also, consider subscribing. That way you can make more money, become a better entrepreneur, and live your best life. Now, I just want to be extremely clear with you guys. These 7 mistakes I'm going to show you in just a second are not in any order. Okay, some of these are very important mistakes that people are making, and the simple fixes, the simple tweaks to their business can change their business completely, can change their channel, can get them more views, more subscribers, higher watch time, which all equates to more money. So what is mistake number 1? Mistake number 1 is not posting more or enough relevant content. Here's what I mean. And this is something that I am a victim to or of as well, is I post a lot of content here on the Homemade Entrepreneur channel. However, it doesn't always target a specific audience. For example, people that do YouTube videos. I talk about things like eBay and Amazon and just success and finance and investing, and I'm all over the place, and that's just me personally. So early on, for a new YouTuber, what I recommend is to stick to a relevant content, okay? And so stick to something inside your niche. Now, you could be posting on and publishing videos on fitness, but don't just talk about working out. Talk about working out and maybe dieting and exercise and healthy recipes and sleeping better and just, things along that line. However, what a lot of new YouTubers do is they do a day in the life video. They do a daily vlog. They also do, what I ate for breakfast and, what I bought at the grocery store and my try-on haul and all this different stuff, and they're all over the place. That's fine. However, if you want to grow quickly, you can't do that. You need to post and publish highly engaging content, but that content has to be relatable, has to be somewhat relevant to your main niche. If it's not, you're going to struggle to grow quickly. The second mistake many YouTubers make is they focus on subscribers versus watch time. Now, here's something that YouTube has came out and said: subscriber count does not matter. Yeah, the very high subscriber count channels, people that have 1 million, 10 million subscribers, they obviously get a lot of views. However, YouTube is not always pushing their new content. YouTube is more geared towards promoting channels and promoting new videos that have a high watch time. For example, if you create a video that's 10 minutes long and 10 people watch it all the way through, that's 100 minutes of watch time. But if you create a video that's 50 minutes long and only 1 person watches it all the way through, everyone else watches, maybe the other 9 people watch it a minute, 2 minutes in, and then they're done, that doesn't get as much watch time. So YouTube is thinking that's not a great video. Only 1 person out of the other 10 people really like that video. Okay, but if every single person subscribed, you're probably thinking, oh, cool, I got 10 subscribers. Subscribers don't matter. They honestly do not matter. So stop making that mistake and thinking, okay, I have to publish content that's going to get me more subscribers. No, publish content that will get you higher watch time, because the more watch time you get, the more views you get. The more views you get, the more subscribers will start to come. Subscribers are the end result. Subscribers should not be the first metric that you look at. So if you're worried about your subscriber count, don't worry about it. Okay, and I'm gonna tell you why in just a second. The third mistake that many new YouTubers make is they're thinking that YouTube ads are going to make them rich. And that's not necessarily the case. If you want to make a lot of money, what you need to do is focus on affiliate marketing and promoting links. Because these links, as long as you're promoting the right products, the right inventory, the right courses and services, can make you a lot of money. Now, if you remember, I just said that don't focus on subscribers, because subscribers are not going to make you a lot of money. And the problem that most people face is that they're looking at the subscriber count because they know YouTube has said they need 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in order to make money from YouTube ads. However, affiliate marketing has nothing to do with YouTube ads. So it's because of that, don't worry about your subscriber count. Worry about watch time and focus on affiliate marketing. That way you can make money through affiliate links as opposed to YouTube ads. Because I can tell you right now, I make much more from my affiliate links and by selling my personal courses than I do from YouTube ads. YouTube ads is just a small little kicker that I get every single month and it's great. However, that's not the main focus. That's not my main income source. So it's because of that, I highly recommend you learn how to do YouTube videos, but by promoting affiliate links in your descriptions. Now, if you're not really sure, what are some affiliate networks you should join, how to get more views, how to really, set yourself up for success inside your description box, then go check out my course. It's called Affiliate Marketing over on YouTube. I'll put a link down in the description box below, along with the discount code, so that you can get started right now and start making some money. The fourth mistake many YouTubers make is they don't do collaborations early on. And this is understandable, I get it. I've created many new YouTube channels, and a lot of these channels, it's harder to go and get in front of other people and in front of other channels because you have very few views, very few videos, maybe you have no subscribers. But here's the cool part, and this is what I recommend. Go out there and talk to, interact, message, email other creators just like yourself in a similar situation that have maybe 50 subscribers. They're publishing videos and their videos only get maybe 10, 20, 30 views each. That's fine. That's a great starting point. What I recommend is you go and message this person and be like, hey, my name is so-and-so, I run this channel. I think it would be cool if we do a collaboration. And the way you do a collaboration when you are, across the country or maybe in a different country, it's actually pretty simple. All you gotta do is you create the video. Okay, for example, I'd say, hey, this is, Adam here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. I'm here with, Billy from such and such channel. And then as soon as you do that, you can actually cut over and Billy from whatever channel can create that next video. And he can be kind of just a response. And it actually works very simple. And one of the things I did when I was doing it a lot was I'd write all these questions and I'd say, hey, Tom, can you read these questions? Okay, read them like I just asked you them. And then on top of that, answer the question. And I'll come back and I'll hit you with the next question and we just do the same thing. I'll come and edit it and show you the video. And it works, okay? So thinking that you gotta be in the same location to do a collaboration is false. You don't have to. All you gotta do is think of a way to do it differently. Now you can use Zoom, you can do a live video, you can do stuff like that, which is great, which works. Even Google Hangouts will work and you can publish a video that way. That's a great option as well, but it's not the only option, okay? So think outside the box because I guarantee you, if you can do collaborations and do, let's say, 1, maybe 2 every single week on top of your uploads that you're currently doing now, you're going to grow much faster and it's easier to do a collaboration and get subscribers that way than it is to just sit there and beg people to, hey, please subscribe to my channel. I need it. I need more views. I need more subscribers. It's not working. Don't do that in 2020 because begging for subscribers is not going to work. Mistake number 5, and I'm sorry, this is something that I currently do as well, and I know I do it because a lot of my audience tells me this inside the comments, is mistake number 5 is thinking your audience knows what you're thinking. They don't. You guys don't. And I do this all the time. In my mind, I know what I want you to know. I know what I want to teach. However, it doesn't always come out of my mouth. The message that I'm trying to get across, sometimes I just can't convey that message. So the problem is, and this is a mistake many YouTubers make, especially many new YouTubers, is that we continue to think that our audience knows what we're thinking, as opposed to explaining it. Doing a drawing, acting it out, in some way actually physically doing the task. Our audience has no clue what we're thinking, so you have to explain it to them, have to show them. And until you do that over and over again and make it a consistent practice, your audience is gonna, the hard part is, and again, this is something that I'm struggling to really explain this because it's something that I continually do, is I miss the point on some videos. I get it. But if you can continue to make your videos better, watch your video and think, okay, if I had no clue what I was actually doing, could I, if I sat a new person down right in front of my video, could they tell me exactly what the point of this video is? You know, how to do step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Could they do that? Did the video address all those steps? Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, all right? So that's a mistake I know a lot of people make. I make it myself. Again, sorry. I am human. I do try to fix that. I do shoot videos over and over again if I know for a fact I missed so many different steps. But just understand there are things that slip through. So just know that is a mistake. A lot of new YouTubers make it, even older YouTubers, even people that have been doing it for years. I've been doing YouTube for 5, 6 years, and I continue to make that mistake. So again, I'm sorry. Mistake number 6 that a lot of new YouTubers make is they spend too much time watching videos as opposed to taking action. Here's what I mean. Let's say you have a YouTube channel on cooking. Well, you spend all this time watching videos on how to make the best eggs, how to make the best steak, how to cook the best pasta, how to get views on your YouTube video, how to do SEO, how to make a thumbnail, how to have the best lighting and the best audio and the best video, and you watch, hundreds of hours of content. However, you've never sat down and made one video. That's an issue. Take action. And I know a lot of new YouTubers do this. Even people that have been doing YouTube for a while, they will sit down and seriously watch hundreds of hours, dozens of hours of video at least, about a new topic, a new idea, a new segment for their channel, which is great. However, if they never take action again and they never create that next video, what are they doing? They're just spending, dozens or hundreds of hours watching new content, learning these new skills, but they never put those skills into action. So here's what I'm here to tell you. Take action. Doesn't matter what your channel is about. Doesn't matter how long you've been in and on YouTube. Take action. Create the best quality content you can. Put it out there. Because I can tell you right now, content is what people are after. It's not about the lighting. It's not about the audio. Yeah, if the lighting sucks and the audio, they can't hear you, they're gonna probably not watch the entire video. But if the content is good, they're gonna figure out a way to consume that content. So just know that if the content's good, they're gonna watch it, they're gonna consume it, and hopefully they'll be back for the next video. Mistake number 7 that so many new YouTubers make is they are not doing SEO. They're not targeting specific keywords for their videos. And this is a huge mistake, but let me explain why. The reason this is a huge mistake is actually pretty simple. YouTube is just another search engine. They use an algorithm that if you can kind of manipulate the algorithm, they will push your video up to the top of the searches. For example, let's say I wanted to rank for how to make peanut butter from scratch in my truck. And that's the exact keyword I want to rank for. If that's the keyword I want to rank for, I just need to put in the title, how to make peanut butter from scratch in my truck. Simple. Then inside the description, I'm going to put that a few times. Then inside the tags, I'm going to put that once. And then in the video, I'm going to talk and say the key phrase, how to make peanut butter from scratch in my truck. And by doing this, by targeting that specific keyword or key phrase, and it's a long tail key phrase, by targeting that, the likelihood of my video being up on the top of the search engine for that exact key phrase or key term is higher. So because of that, I will be able to get views just by targeting that one keyword. But there's a trick. Instead of just creating that one video for that one keyword, let's say you create that one video on Monday, and on Tuesday you create the next video and target a different keyword related to the same topic, to the same niche that you're in. However, it's a different keyword. And on Wednesday, you create another video and you do the exact same thing, target a different keyword. The best tasting dish made from scratch, whatever. Okay, how to make tuna fish sandwich in less than 10 seconds. Okay, you just try to target different keywords within the same niche. But when you do this over and over again. Let's say you create a video every single day, Monday through Friday, you do it for a couple months, for 2 months. That means at the end of 2 months, you have 40 videos published, all targeting a different keyword. So what that tells me is, if you do it correctly and you use a software like TubeBuddy, you can start to really get views. Maybe you're gonna get 40, 80, 120 views every single day, because every single one of your videos getting 1, 2, maybe even 3 views every single day just by targeting these different keywords. And that's not even including, when YouTube goes and promotes your video through suggested videos, okay? Or through the browse feature. There's other ways you can be seen, and there's other ways for your videos to get searched, okay? For new people to come on and see, hey, this is a cool video, it has a nice thumbnail. Awesome. I'm gonna click on it, I'm gonna watch it. Okay? So that's what you need to understand, is that number one thing most YouTubers are doing wrong. And whenever I talk to somebody and they have a YouTube channel, the one mistake that I see so often, and it's right there in front of me and right there in front of them, is they don't target any keyword. So that's usually the first thing I do, is I go in and help them pick better keywords for their videos so that their videos can actually be seen and start to get views. So one thing I just want to put out there, if you guys need help creating better content, need help, you need somebody to go through your YouTube channel, I can do that. Currently, I'm right about, I'm a little bit over 1,200 coaching calls that I've done. And my goal for the year was to get to 1,250 coaching calls, different coaching students. So I put out I'll put a link down in the description box below. You can go see my coaching page. Talks a little bit about what I do, kind of what I charge. But normally I charge $137 an hour. I just cut it off right there. I want to help more people. So instead of doing the $249 that I used to charge, I was charging $137 per hour. However, there is a discount code. I put it down there so you can get $107 off, which means for a 1 hour coaching call, I'm only charging 30 bucks. And this is only gonna happen until I get to 1,250 clients. Once I'm there, once I have that 1,250th coaching call booked, I'm cutting off that discount. So if you want to get that, again, it's something that I'm not going to offer again. I think this is the cheapest I've ever done. Any hour-long coaching call is for 30 bucks. So if you want to get in, you want to book your coaching call, I highly recommend you do it before it is gone. But again, I'll put the link to the coaching page down in the description box below, along with the discount code. Make sure you use that discount code, or else you will pay full price. Now, if you go and use that discount code and it says that discount code has expired, that means I've already got those other 50 people, which now means I don't have the discount code active anymore. So if you have any questions, I can answer your questions inside the coaching, or you can just comment below and I'll try to help you out there as well. But if you want to deep dive into your YouTube channel, how I can help you, how you can make more money, get more views, get more subscribers, and live the life that you really want to live, make sure you book that coaching call. So again, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.